Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to share my thoughts on a fantastic skincare tool, the FARAD Beauty LED mask. This beautiful mask was sent to me for a review and I can't wait to dive in and show you guys the features with you. So if you're curious about LED light therapy and whether it's worth the money, stay tuned. So pretty. First off, let's take a look at the packaging. I have to say, the presentation is so stunning. The case is so sleek and it feels luxurious, which definitely sets the tone for what's inside. So now let's unbox it together. Wow, as I pull this out, I could already feel the quality. The mask itself has a very nice weight to it, and the design is very eye-catchy. So pretty. It feels well made and looks something that will fit seamlessly to my skincare routine. Oh my gosh. It has a modern aesthetic. Oh, I love this. It has a remote control. So comfortable. Now let's check out the fit. It comfortably molds to my face. I appreciate how lightweight it feels. Oh my gosh. It's easy to wear for the recommended treatment times without feeling heavy and uncomfortable. Wow, I love this. Let's dive into the feature and benefits of this mask, starting with the LED options. Let me just demonstrate each light with you guys. Because the FARAD Beauty has multiple beauty settings, for example, red light. This is great for stimulating collagen production, helping to reduce the appearance for fine lines and wrinkles. The blue light, perfect for targeting acne and preventing breakouts by killing bacteria on the skin.
Yellow LED light benefits.
As I demonstrate in each light, you can see how easily it switches off between them. Let's not forget the science behind it. Red light therapy works by penetrating the skin different depths, stimulating the cellular light activity to promote healing and rejuvenation. It's like giving your skin a workout. Visual, yes. I want to talk about the waterproof feature. Yes, you heard that right. The waterproof feature. This means I can easily clean this without worrying about damage. Such a useful feature, especially for those who wants to maintain a hygiene. Now let's check out the fit, how comfortably it's going to mold to my face. I appreciate how lightweight it feels. The remote control is so easy to use, you guys. It's on. Just plug it the USB right here on the bottom. And it comes with instructions, so it makes it easy. And then you just plug this baby in right here. Don't worry about my missing nail. Hold this button down right here. And then it's gonna come on. There we go. And then you just push this and you see the lights. You see the red? I appreciate how lightweight it feels. It's easy to wear for the recommended treatment time without feeling heavy or uncomfortable. Why you need this mask, you guys? You might be wondering, who is this mask for? If you're 40 and above, this mask can be a game changer for you. It helps boost elasticity of your skin, brightens your skin, and gives you that youthful glow that we all want. And let's address some common sense care concerns. Fine lines, dullness, and loss of elasticity can be very frustrating. But this mask targets those issues directly. Also, think about the cost savings. Professional spa treatments can really add up, but using this mask at home offers a convenient and a budget-friendly alternative. Imagine being able to treat yourself at home, offering a convenient and a budget-friendly alternative. Imagine treating your skin whenever you want without the hassle of appointments. Warranty and uses. It has a great warranty as well. You guys the benefits. To wrap things up, this is a critical tool for anybody that needs to enhance their skincare routine. With their options and the waterproof features and their comfort, it really stands out. And my final thoughts, overall, I highly recommend this mask. I mean, it's an investment in your skin and saving times and money in the long run. So if you enjoy this review, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more skincare tips and product review. I have some exciting content coming up that you don't want to miss. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again on the next video.